Big fella.
What's up?
You hear that new Kurt Franklin?
Nah. Turn it up. Oh shit. You mind if I press Lord?